I'm gonna start with the helmet. I'm gonna use a cone and a cylinder. I'm gonna join them together. Then I'm gonna use the tubes to make holes. Then I'm gonna use the balls for the nose, hairs and the shield. Then I'm gonna use trim and gizmo to make the shield, and then the same for the sword. Now I'm gonna use stamp and alpha models for the texture of the hair. To have the best results, I suggest you to increase the size and decrease the intensity of the texture. To have a better result, I suggest you to turn off the symmetry and increase the polygon of the shape as much as possible. And do not try to have the individual hairs. Now I try to have the wooden texture for the helmet and the shield as much as possible. Here I'm using the alpha for having texture of wood, but you can download them in the internet very easily. Alpha gonna make the process much faster, but it is not something necessary. Easier to clone the shape and then trim the extra parts. To add in extra details, remember that turn the symmetry to the local. To finish the job, add the background and try to play a little with the lights.